Before I get into the video and introduce myself, I wanted to let you guys know if you guys are interested in one, growing an Amazon business from scratch, or two, scaling the Amazon business that you currently have, you need to subscribe to my channel. I'm currently documenting myself growing my Amazon business from $2,000 a month to $60,000 a month, and I'm putting it all in a playlist that I'll link out to right here. I think you guys will get a ton of value from that. For those of you that have never heard of me before, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and you guys are tuning in to episode 2 of me growing my Amazon business from $2,000 a month to $60,000 a month. If you like it, please let me know in the comments below. Please smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe if you want to learn how to grow your Amazon business. For those of you that didn't tune in to episode 1, last week we made $607 gross revenue, $200 in net profit. We moved 21 units, and the only change that we implemented moving into the week was adding a 40% promotion through Jungle Scout. Today is November 24th, and in the past 7 days we moved 20 units for $577 in gross revenue. We'll see what kind of profit we made. Unfortunately, we did see one refund, so we should subtract $30 from that, but we'll get into that once we go into the platform. In addition, want to give you guys an update on the Jungle Scout promotion. We ran a 40% promotion, even though Jungle Scout recommends you run a 70 to 95% so people really redeem it. Unfortunately, we should have followed their directions because we didn't see anybody redeem the coupon in the past week, and we saw our sales decrease, as you guys will see once I get into the platform. So let's dive into it now and see how much money we've really made. Hey guys, so here we have it. If we come into our spreadsheet, we did sell 20 units. Our cost of goods sold was $301.40. That's $15.07 per unit. That's taking into consideration both the Amazon fee and our landed cost of goods sold. We spent $68.52 on ads, so one refund for $30. So our total expenses were just under $400. Total revenue, like I had mentioned earlier, was $577.92. So our total profit for this week is $178, which isn't much lower than last week, so very good. So overall, what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave our pricing strategy at $30. We're gonna leave our ad strategy alone. ACOS is great. I'm gonna dive into that again in a second. We're gonna continue our 40% off promotion. Our current sales velocity is 20 units per week. Inventory looks good, finances look good, and we still have to set up the rank tracker, but I do wanna make a separate video for that so that you guys can all learn how to do that. If we move over to seller performance, so as you guys can see, we moved 2 units, 8, 1, 4, 2, 0, 3. So the real issue that we're still seeing here is these days where we're moving 0, 1, and 2 units. We need to get those up so that we could start to rank much more higher organically for the terms that we want to rank for. But overall, not a bad week. If we could have had a day like 11, 19 every day of the week, I think that's ideal. That would be great, and that's where we're headed, and that's where we need to get to in order to build this business and rank higher organically. So for those of you that are new to the channel or don't know what makes you rank organically, it's a couple things. One, it's your click-through rate. The second thing is going to be your sales velocity. So what we're trying to do right now is use PPC and also a giveaway on Jungle Scout. We're running a 40% giveaway right now and try to increase sales velocity so that we're going to rank higher for all of our keywords. So now let's dive into our ad stuff. So like I had said, we spent $68.52. We did see almost 6 sales come through from ads. So 6 of the 20 did come through from ads. So that's great. Our ACOS was 37%, so we're definitely making money on that. As you guys just saw, our all-in margins at the end, said and done for last week, was 30%, which is really high. I do want to come into this, so we're running an auto campaign. I haven't showed you guys this before. I do want to show you guys the keywords that are working best for us. So we're running both the black and white planter within the same ad group. If we come into here, we're going to go into search terms. So as you guys can see, it's filtered by orders. So the majority of the money, $31, so a little under actually 50% of all of our costs are going towards the term wall planter and this ASIN here. Customer term wall planter is performing great for us. So this is why I don't want to make any changes week over week when it comes to advertising, because it's performing great. I don't think there's any reason for us to jack things up. One thing we do maybe want to check is look at our ad spend and see if we're spending on anything that we shouldn't be. And this looks like all really good stuff that we're spending on right now. So I don't want to make any changes to this. So as you guys have it, we're going to leave everything alone for the next week. The promotion strategy, we do want to continue to 40% discount. Even though we didn't see any sales last week come from this, I do want to test it again. 7 to 14 days. I think is a great testing period. So we're going to do that, leave that alone. But as you guys could see, performance week over week is great. Our ads, our refunds, nothing out of the norm here. Revenue did drop a little bit. We sold 1 less unit, but that really didn't affect our profit. And I'm really looking forward to next week and seeing if we do see an increase in sales from the giveaway. So there you guys have it. Week over week, we're not going to make any changes to anything. We're literally just going to leave everything how it is. The main thing we want to check for next week is whether or not our Jungle Scout promotions really increase sales. I'm hoping they
I do, I really want that to work profitably so that we could do the giveaways without losing a ton of money. But that being said, once again, making $200 in a week for a business that I work 0 hours on is great. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I recommend that you guys go check out the rest of my Amazon videos that I have. So I'm gonna put a link to them right here. Go check out that playlist. I think you guys will really get a ton of value from it.